friends, welcome back to the Ikara Technology. This is Mohammad Saki Mansari, and today I will show you how to build an email scraper using Python and Selenium. This script will automate a browser and visit a web page and extract all email addresses from it. So, before starting the coding, I will sh- I will show you the quick demo of this project. So I need to run script here. Write the file name is email scraper.py and press the enter. So it generate the 50 quantity emails automatically here in this console. So look at this. It generated the weekly 50 random emails from the by the using of by the using of this script and this code. So we will write each function step by step and explain every single line of code. So let's get started. So first I want need to import some required module here. Before starting this coding for the email scraping, we need to download Chrome driver extension. I have already downloaded. I will show you on my file. This is my file, and other file is Python projects, and already here I have downloaded the Chrome driver here, and this is our email scraper file Python script. So how to download this Chrome driver? So first you need to go your Chrome browser, and then you need to write here download Chrome driver, and you click this first link of the Chrome driver, and then you look you uh, you click this link Chrome for testing availability, and then you need to check all your status is checked, and then you scroll down the if you have Linux 64 system, so you click the copy this link and paste another tab. If you have Windows 64 system, so you need to copy this link and paste the new tab and press the enter, and it will automatically download your Chrome driver extension. So it give us the zip file. So you should need to extract this zip file. I will show you how to extract this zip file. I go to this and paste here in this folder, in this folder I will paste here the Python project into the Python project. So I will move this zip file into the Python project folder. So you need to add first you should need to download WinRAR for the extracting the zip file, and right click here and then click the extract file here. So it give us the folder Chrome driver. So you need to go this folder and then copy this file Control C, and then you- on on the your Python project you need to paste the this file. Maybe your file is here, so you need to paste here Control V. So then you can continue your project with this Chrome driver. So let's we move the our code. So I need to import some important module. So you need to now let's write the code and understand how it work. So now first the thing we need to do is first import the RE module. What is how it works? This is a Python's regular expression regex module which helps us find email addresses in the web page. So the next, I need to import from typing, from typing and import the final. Sorry, F is uppercase, final. So what is the work of final? This comes from typing and we use it to define constants, values that won't change. So the next module is from Selenium. From Selenium. Before this, using this module, mm, this module, you need to install Selenium by using the command on the console. So you need to write pip install and then Selenium. So I have already, and the press the enter. So I have already installed it. So it automatically upgrade this Selenium module. So I have already, so it show the message you have already installed it. So I clear this console and then continue this code. So from the Selenium, I need to import WebDriver. How it works? Basically, this helps you us control the Chrome browser automatically. So then from Selenium, I need to import WebDriver and then Chrome and then options and then import the options. So basically options lets us customize browser settings like running in the background. So then lastly, I need to import Selenium dot WebDriver dot Chrome dot service. So I need to import a service. Basically, service is used to start the Chrome browser, Chrome WebDriver service. So now let's define a pattern to find email addresses in the web page, in a web page. So first I create the in the capital email underscore regex and then it should be final and pass the str string type and assign the regex. So I need to, I have already, we will provide you this regex uh, email validation for it use for the email validation. So we will provide you in our website. You can download from this regex from the website. So I will paste here regex. So it is the regex. It looks for email like text in the web page. It captures image like example at the domain.com and don't worry, this looks complex. This is a standard email matching pattern used in many applications. So now next, I am creating a class named browser. So this class will handle everything related to web automation. So I will create here, I create here browser class, and then what does this class do? It opens a web page using Selenium. So and uh, it extract all email addresses using our regex pattern here, and it closes the browser after scraping. So next I am adding a constructor function init to initialize the Chrome browser. So I need to write here init method, here init, sorry, init, and then pass the some important parameters here. So basically itself is the default parameter and then driver, and it should be string type. And then I basically print the message starting a browser, starting up browser, and then uh, I need to write here some important line of code. Mhm. So I get this self dot chrome chrome options and assign the options in this variable, assign the options. So this create a browser settings, and then I need to create self dot chrome options and add argument. add argument, and then I will pass here headless. Headless. It is important. Basically, it is important. It runs without opening the Chrome browser. Basically, it works like this makes Chrome browser run in the background without showing a window. So next, I will write as for your understanding. In this command runs without opening the browser. So then I need to write here next self dot from underscore option and add argument. So I will pass here disabled extension. So I write here disable extension, and it is also important for us. Extensions basically it uh, disables unnecessary extensions. And then I need to write also Chrome option and add argument, and then pass the disable GPU. disable disable GPU. Basically it this improves performance. Improve the performance. So then I need to also take the variable for the service, and then assign the services which we have already take this module. Services, and then pass the our uh, uh, parameter driver. So then it works like this starts the Chrome web driver. And then lastly, we need to create here self dot browser for the browser, and then assign the web driver, and then dot Chrome. I need to take Chrome and pass the service, and service should be self dot service, and then I need to pass options second, and then self dot Chrome options. So it is important for the uh, browser, and then it works like this launches the browser with the defined settings. So next, let's write a function that extracts email from any web page. So I need to write here next method, which is scrap underscore emails, and then I will need to pass default self parameter, and next URL parameter it should be str, and it returns into the set. So I need to basically uh, I need to first print the message here, print in the f string, and I need to write here scrapping, and then uh, double quotes. Into the double quotes, it should show the URL, and then for emails, this is for emails. So then uh, I need to write here for the URL. So self dot browser dot get, I get the, and then pass the URL. It opens the URL. Basically it opens the website using this is self browser dot get, and pass the URL. So then I need to create the new variable here, page source underscore source, and it should be string type, and assign this self dot browser dot page source. So basically it gets the entire pages HTML using. So next I need to create a list of emails variable, and list underscore of emails. You can understand by this variable, and it should be set type, and then I will pass here, I assign the set basically using a set to avoid duplicate emails. So basically set avoids, if I take this set type, it using a set to avoid duplicate emails. So Basically, next I need to create a for loop for showing the serial number. So for I will create the iterate variable array underscore match, and then iterate from the array dot find 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 iter, and then I pass the email regex and pass the page source. Okay, and and it finds all email addresses using this i- i- using this find iter. So basically it not return the serial voice number. Basically it find the email addresses. So then I will add the list of emails here and add a rematch group, a rematch dot group. So basically it extract emails and add them to the set. So now finally returns the extracted emails, and basically it stores them in a set to avoid duplicates. So last one is I need to write here return list of emails. Basically it returns. So after escaping, we need to properly close the browser to free up memory. So last method is close browser, close underscore browser. So then I will pass here basically default parameter self, and then print here some message closing browser. So it show the closing browser, and then self dot browser dot close. Basically it close the browser. So this function prevents memory leaks by properly shutting down the browser when we are done. So next let's write the main function to run everything together. So I will write here the main function. So main function def main. So I will write here main function. So is a driver. I create the driver first variable, and it should be str, and assign the driver name. Basically I have a driver which is the chrome driver dot exe extension. So I will pass here the name of the driver. So chrome driver and dot exe, and then I need to create a browser variable, browser, and assign the browser. So and pass the driver here which we was created. So I pass the driver is equal to driver variable, and then next I need to create emails variable, and it should be set type and assign the browser variable here, and then should scrape emails from this website. So basically what happened here, we define the chrome driver path here, and then we create a browser instance, and then we are scraping emails from a website. So websites like I take the website randomlist.com. So I write here the URL here, uh, https www dot www.randomlists.com, and in the folder of email addresses, and I provide the quantity. You change the quantity, like you take the 50 5 emails random. You can generate five emails. You can randomly generate 60 emails. This is your requirement. If you have requirement the 5 emails, you can write here 5. For example I write here 50. So then after this created, we print each email with a number. So I write here for loop and then iterate variable I and then email, and then it should enumerate. I will write here enumerate and pass the emails, and it should start the number from 1, and then print here the serial wise. So I, and then it print the email, and it should I will give the some spaces by using SEP is equal to and then single quote, and this done. And lastly, finally, we close the browser here. I need to close here browser dot close browser, this the browser. So finally, uh, I need to execute the script. So I will give here the condition if underscore underscore name, and then is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, and pass the uh, method here. So this makes it sure the script only runs when executed directly and not when imported. So let's check the our script. So I will write here script name. First I need to write Python and then file name email scraper scraper.py and press the enter. So it is starting a browser, and then it will generating the 50 random emails. So wow, this is amazing. It generated for us the 50 emails. If you click here, if you go these websites like random, I click the control and press the right click of your mouse. It opens the website, which is if you go the manually on this website, it generating the random emails of 50 emails. So currently we use these websites. So then uh, this is the amazing projects which we have created. For more coding tutorials, please visit our website, and you can find there several projects related to the Python. You should go the by the using URL www.ikaratechnology.com, and so thank you very much.